we're back at you with another episode of Shenanigans. Today we're going to do something a little crazy. We're going to throw all this crap in the microwave and see what happens. So let's...
Probably something not good at all.
I'm hoping.
Not good.
So we're going to start with probably easy stuff and work up to like batteries and foil and... Chef Boyardee. Alright, let's get started.
Let's stand in the camp.
Supposedly take a bag, throw it in there. That's what happens to the bag.
Wow.
Ooh, shit.
Yeah, I wouldn't touch that. Fork.
So that's what happens to the bag.
Whoa. That's not really good flavor.
So the question is, what if we do the chips in the bag? All right, well, that's what happens. Step on that. All right, next up, we're gonna do light bulb.
Whoa! Dude! I'll leave the big ones uncracked.
Okay.
And then I'll... Yeah, goo just everywhere.
I'm hoping. It helps with lighting.
It does.
Yep. Oh, they're spewing. It's spewing. Ah! Yeah, the big ones didn't do anything because they weren't activated. Oh. Let's shoot. Some good and plenty. All right, what else do you want to throw there? Spoiled milk? Just throw the whole thing in there. All right, so we're gonna do some creamer.
Ooh.
Jalapenos. Creamer didn't do nothing yet.
Oh, did it fall?
The creamer, yeah. Like that Fuji water bottle?
Yeah. Oh! Oh, there's the creamer! The creamer went boom!
It works. I turn it off.
One more. It's rolling.
All right, so we threw everything in there.
Oh my god. Yeah.
It's electrifying.
It's getting crazy in there.
That's what it looks like in there. Nothing other than the forks or whatever popping off. Hold on. Just pour that in that direction.
You gonna grab it?
Put something in here and you can watch it.
No, because of the radiation. Oh, alright guys, this is the aftermath of our experiment. Some of the things like the shaving cream didn't work very well. The light bulb was cool. You saw what happened to the chip bags. Alright, when's the best time to watch us?
While you're pooping.
Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You guys want to see us stick other stuff in here?
You know it's
Let us know because we didn't blow this thing up yet. Alright guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.
How about fireworks? Now, Mike.
It like stopped recording there.
Oh shit. Yeah, it's because you hit the button.
Yeah, I restarted it.
That's hot as
jalapenos.
Yeah, but they've also been in there longest. Look at the plastic around it, it's liquefied.
Oh, there you go.
Not even a silver string anymore. Oh, there it is.
Ready to market?
I mean, that was still good, but Chef already, but you fucked it up.
I think these, I don't know what these are, but these are good.
Yeah.
I don't know what they are, but they're awesome.
Just take a big old scoop of that.
See what the food tastes like?
Oh shit, that's so hot. As fuck.
Boom.
Oh, you got enough.
Eat it.
No. It's like boiling jalapeno juice.
All right, Troy.
What?